so much of our time is consumed by the peripheries around machine learning that don't think that there's not huge value in some of these, what seem to be very simple things. Just keep in mind, there's so much that will need to be built along with it. And the more direct you go to trying to do something that is unproven, the more you're going to run into these things. So please, there's a lot of value you can do with very simple solutions. My next piece of very simple advice, do start off with an out-of-the-box model.
Using TensorFlow, very hands-on approach, and training images that way. Almost right away, if you use tutorial level code, got us to about 70% really quickly. And we didn't even really try very hard.
If you can start building out what that whole pipeline looks like, that's going to give you a lot of insight into how you're going to use your machine learning model and what it is you're going to train for that you might not have at the beginning of the project. So it's very tempting, especially with the frameworks that exist, and Casey makes it super easy too. Like you could start off and build a really cool detector really damn quickly, but
we didn't pay for that. Probably.
Yeah. However, just getting the output of that isn't going to, be your final product and might not be what you intend in the long run. Keep everything modular such that you can test it with a small bit of code.
It is so much bigger than our taxonomy that when I look at it, it's one of those things where I look at it and I'm like, I was like, do I need this? Like, that's the thing. Like, if we have like 50 things in our taxonomy, do we go to a WorkNet system? Like, I don't know when we're like over engineering.
And, don't be afraid to experiment. This stuff is pretty easy. You go on Casey, you go on Google, there's really good documentation to walk you through how to do it.